Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the flawless fluorite in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. For your information, this fluorite will randomly visit your home and it will visit the DG members home one by one. And when the fluorite is visiting your home, you can immediately mine it with your pickaxe. And actually, this time is not my turn. This fluorite come to my neighbor's house, but we can mine it, guys. And I'm going to mine this fluorite. Okay. Okay, now it's done, and I got the flawless fluorite. And it will disappear as you mine it. So if you see this fluorite, don't forget to mine the fluorite with your pickaxe. Okay, even though it's not my turn, I can still mine this fluorite. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the flawless fluorite in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.